system has been activated. 4 children were abducted from 13609 South Low Avenue, Riverdale, Illinois around 1:37 this morning. Nolan Hill is a black 7-year-old boy who weighs 54 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Nolan is wearing black t-shirt and jeans. Nova Hill is a black 7-year-old girl who weighs 64 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Nova is wearing a blue jacket and blue jeans. Noah Hill is a black 8-year-old boy who weighs 60 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Noah is wearing a green hoodie, black pants, and blue shoes. Nia Hill is a black 10-year-old girl who weighs 90 pounds and has brown eyes and black braided ponytail hair. Nia is wearing an orange t-shirt and black joggers. The children were in the back seat when Austin Bell, a 30-year-old black male, was observed driving off in the vehicle. The vehicle is a silver 2010 Acura MDX with Illinois license FE 60619. Anyone with information should call 911. At 8 a.m.